Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your Android phone is tapped. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, I'm on my Samsung Galaxy. First, just open up the phone app. We're going to dial a couple codes to make sure that your calls are not being forwarded to someone else without your permission. The first code that you're going to dial is *21# and hit call. You can see MMI code started, and after a few seconds, it will pop up with call forwarding. In my case, I don't necessarily have a network turned on, so it's because it says connection problem or invalid MMI code. However, in your case, it will say something about call forwarding and whether call forwarding is either enabled or disabled on your phone. You want to make sure that, of course, it is disabled. Essentially, if it is call forwarding turned on, then potentially somebody is tapping into your phone calls and listening in on those phone calls. So we want to make sure to turn it off. If you want to be absolutely sure it is turned off, let's dial ##21# and hit call. After you've done that, you can see, again, MMI code started, and you'll be able to see call forwarding. And in this case, it should disable all call forwarding on your Android phone so that you can be sure that no one else is listening in through your carrier. However, there are other instances where people could be listening in on your calls. So the next thing I would recommend doing is tapping on the star or the three dots and then settings. And now from here, we want to make sure that no one is recording your calls and either seeing them or seeing the transcription of them or listening to those calls. So we want to get into your recorded calls here, and you want to make sure it says no call recordings. However, if it does say call recordings and you meant to do that, that's perfectly fine. However, if it does show that there are call recordings and you didn't intentionally do that, you need to make sure that is disabled. The next thing we will do is we're going to swipe up and get into your settings. Within the settings, we need to check to make sure the microphone isn't being used without your permission, and the settings don't allow for call forwarding as well. The first thing we're going to do is scroll down to security and privacy, and then we're going to scroll down to microphone. You'll be able to see the usage history here. This will show you all of the use of your microphone, and you want to make sure if it does show anything on here, you recognize everything on here. However, that's not everything, because we want to also show the system apps. These are system apps that could be using your microphone without your permission. Again, if there's anything on here that you don't recognize, make sure to turn it off. The last thing you can do is go back to the very beginning of your settings, and we're just going to search for forwarding and make sure when we search for that there's no forwarding on here that is turned on without your permission. So go through this list. If you see call forwarding or any forwarding for text message or anything like that, make sure to turn those off to make sure no one is tapping in to your phone calls or your text messages. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.